looks like they're adding another car to the train.
Are you riding this train?
I just got off of it.
But you're not going any further?
No.
Okay, cool.
I'm just watching them change the locomotive. Although I don't know what they're doing here.
No, they're adding all this to the train. This is how it's going to go to New York.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be crazy.
Well, that...
What are you doing with all this mess?
That doesn't look like an ACS 64 to me.
It's an ACS 64, two P42s, two coaches.
You dragging two P42s as well?
So you can't cut us off in Philly, but you can add all this stuff to the train, huh? Makes sense.
I thought you said you're not going back to 48.
Well, tomorrow's Monday. Yeah. I gotta go to New York first, then come back tomorrow.
All right. Easy does it now. Nice and easy. Perfect. Wow. 2 Genesis locomotives and a Sprinter? Wow. I've never seen anything like it. This must be an equipment move. I'll ask him. So what is this, an equipment move? So what is this, an equipment move?
Yeah, these are fresh out of Bear
Oh,
to go back up, put in
interesting.
service. They need to get to Albany for service.
Do you want to say something to my camera?
So, how's it going? Oh, do you really?
It's not every startup, but
Me?
The cuts all the balls?
No.
Oh, you mean Blevins?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, I want to say a big thank you to Amtrak for letting me make this video, and with that being said, that'll be it.